This is what we have for the garden so far. We've got a ton of lettuce, cucumber, spinach, kale, broccoli, chamomile. Up here we have peppers, and then these are hot peppers. They're not doing so hot yet. Basil. So we don't use any heat pads or anything. This is it, what you see right here. I will show you kind of as the season goes along how everything does. This was our first attempt at compost. I'm so impressed with this compost. It is so dark and rich. It was kind of a trial to see if we could even make compost, and looks like we can, so now I'm really gonna get serious with it, and hopefully, you know, maybe next year or the year after we can do the whole garden with our own compost. That's the goal. Over here, we've got some garlic coming up. I have a video from a few months ago where I planted all the garlic and they look really healthy. We got a raspberry bush there, and I noticed there are babies all over the place, so I'm gonna try to transplant those out somewhere else, probably near the cabin. That'll be fun. Same thing with these strawberries. This is the blueberry bush I'm gonna try to plant over by. We've got some big pine trees over there. I'm gonna try to plant those under them. So this one, and then this one. If you have any tips or tricks about how to successfully grow blueberries, I love blueberries. I don't want to give up on them. They're delicious, and you know, I know you have to get more sometimes for them to like cross-pollinate. I have two, maybe that's not enough. So yeah, just if you could let me know, that'd be great. Thanks. I also pulled up some raspberries and put them over there. Got a couple over here. Keep my fingers crossed. That'd be awesome if it actually worked out. Because then people that stay in the cabin can just pick raspberries whenever they want.
Yeah, just put it right in the bottom. Thank you. Yeah, good.
Yummy.
Get over the house.
Oh, stinks.
It's fresh.
Are you sure this is the lobster
This
stuff?
thing is friggin' lobster tails all.
Smells like.
Look.
Ow!
What you doing?
I just hurt myself. I'm fine. So I'm pulling up some of this King Solomon because it's kind of all over the place, and it's a pretty pretty good shade plant, and I'm going to put it out at the cabin. Oh, I don't want this to break. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. I think that's enough. I have some lily of the valley here, which is invasive, which is great for back near the cabin. So I'll pull some of these up too. I don't know if these will survive, but I'm gonna try anyway. While I'm at it, I might as well get a couple hostas here. You want to sit? Okay. You want to sit and watch Mama? Okay. Careful. You stay seated. No. I don't want you to fall. Not too bad. You probably have to build it up a little more, but I think it looks pretty good. you.